Wagwan Flickity Vlog, Wagwan, everybody good? Wanna still there? Big up on yourself if you're still there, man. I don't know the thing set. Me don't explain all of that already, man. How me I deal with the thing. Alright, now me I gotta start vlog whenever, you know what I mean? As soon anything me can do for vlog, me I gotta just vlog it. There I eat some breakfast, you know, you feel me? There I eat some breakfast, you know. A delicious egg and cheese sandwich. I go up on the road today. People order shirts, so I go up on the road to sort it out. So yeah, when I go forward with me. There so I watch some American Gods. I don't know if you don't hear about that series there, but decent series, man, rating. You know? And I can go if you check it out. American Gods. Look it up. A Star is the company if you don't have cable. So yeah, that's the pre. Alright? I peel out in the street, you know, if you go sort out the shirts, if you see me. Yeah, man. I don't know the thing said. Forward. You know, I realize I need a car. But with a car comes a bag of shit. Shit like this. I have to buy gas and all that stuff. But more time I can't deal with the sun hat, you see me? Anyways, I'm there at the bus stop and wait for go to the place. Sun hat, you're free. I mean a black. I'm never rocking white, I'm like a racist. Well, I think I get a taxi, you know.
Still on the stage, need to get paid. You's getting switched, but I'm feeling the same. Been 60 days, stress on your face. Drawing conclusions, cause I can't be traced. I don't need this when I'm on my own.
Make a quick stop to pick up food handlers permit. From last year, I didn't pick it. Last year, April 2017. So the lady, the security guard, I say it makes sense I get a new one because the one I go for now expired. I don't really need it anymore still, so you know what I mean? That can stay. That can stay. Alright, so Richard, how you doing? Looking for some shirts.
T-shirt?
Yeah. 2 medium. Huh? I can mix them?
Yeah.
The size and the color and all. Okay, a minimum of 12. How much is a minimum of 12? Okay, alright. Alright, so give me the 12 then.
One. When you tell them fair, being 12, I put in logo shirt in my back. Yeah?
I can get some of them bag, like them bag there or something.
Bag?
Like them type they were young. And you don't have them like separate in bags like that?
Yeah, we have them with the bag, their personal thing. We don't sell them.
Oh, you don't sell them? So I can get it with what I'm purchasing?
No man, when you purchase that, I put them in a one bag.
No, I want some of them little baggy. Okay, no problem. We reach at the place now, so I try to sort out the shirts, you see me? I try to get some of them baggy still. So we link in the back when everything starts. Alright, so I sort out the shirts, you see me? I go drop them off to get printed now, man. Buy them, drop them off for them get printed up one. It's cheap still, you know what I mean? A good price. And if you find an ATM first, the shit. Goddamn son, I kill me. How forget my dance?
With it. Too lame, y'all ain't coming with us.
Man, I'm cooking, I sun her ass. I'm going for the work, I have to do the work, I have to do that, sir. Don't mind me recording. Alright, so we reach where we're supposed to print the shirts. Art Box Printery, right?
Yeah.
Where are you located?
Shop 449, and we're on Instagram as well. Art Box Printing.
Yeah, I follow them on Instagram. You can go follow them. You know what I mean? If you need shirts, hats,
Earrings,
blouse, all of them something there. You can get your shirts and your hats and basic key rings too.
Yeah, customized ones.
Look, all kind of printing services, alright? Bugs, base up. Any special occasion you can make them print up something for you. So I get the shirts them done for you now. You know, so let me come support Artbox because I'm gonna give your boy a helping hand. Hey? Alright.
Break the ice, hold up, let me break the ice. Like what the price? They so clean, might cop it twice. Check the size, Nike's on, I check the side. Catch a stride, all my shit be fitting right.
Reach back home, shirtless as usual. I can't deal with shirt, you know. Shirt doesn't make man hot, you know. As I reach in, I fling with that. I got easy back here now, you know. Just chill. That's basically it. I'm glad I was able to provide some sort of content for you today. I'm happy for that. Hopefully most of the audio you can hear me because breeze did a blow, and we all know when breeze a blow, appear nice. If not, then this will probably be with the first part, the only part of the video you actually hear. Yeah, but I drink some water, I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. And that's basically the end of the day. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just cook, you know. But you know, I'm gonna edit this vlog and try and get it to you guys for tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do enjoy it, kind of dunce. If you did enjoy it, hit the like button, hit the share button, subscribe. You know, I start just vlog. I just do it. You know, if it comes, it comes. If it doesn't come, then it don't come. I just do it. You know what I mean? I do it for the fans, for the people and who support me. 1,003,000,000%. Me, I could just do it for them. So yeah, take care of yourself until the next vlog, which might be real soon. Hey, hey. Yeah, look more.
Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth. Who don't meddle with the metal, cause the camera all I shoot.
Call me yellow demon, always creeping on the avenue. Call like hello, screaming in the mic like what the fuck is new? I'm that jello needing window peeping kid who spit the truth. Who don't meddle with the metal, cause the camera all I shoot.